today my Honda Civic is really dirty, so I'm gonna drive it to the car wash. Let's begin. Okay, let's go to the car wash. Car wash. Okay, now let's go to route. Okay,
In 100 feet, turn right. Turn right.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't see every Benz.
Turn left.
There's a police. There is police there. Come on.
In 500 feet, turn left. In 100 feet, turn left. Turn left.
Okay, everyone.
You have arrived.
Okay, guys, we have made it. Okay. The water? The water? Okay. Now I'm gonna go back to the repair shop because it needs fixing. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go to the route. The GPS will show. Repair shop. Quick fix repair shop. And yeah, let's go to route.
Turn right.
Quick fix. Where is the quick fix repair shop? Come on. I'm always 2
In
miles
500
away.
feet, turn right. In 100 feet, turn right. Turn right. Turn left.
I'm moving my phone close to quick fix. I just went to the dealership, then I choose the dealership instead. So let's go to repair. Yay, my car is successfully fixed. And now look, I still have the bill. Now let's go. Hope you guys enjoy our video. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and then comment, and then comment, and then comment hi. Then I'll reply to your comment. So subscribe. Pop quiz. What is your favorite video? Please comment. Pop quiz is here. Please comment to know the answer.